In this video, I will show you how to install Android 17 beta on your Pixel device. We will cover the official beta enrollment method and the manual OTA sideloading process for Android 17, also known as Cinnamon Bun. Now this year, Google skipped the developer preview and released Android 17 Beta 1. I will guide you step by step on how to safely upgrade your Pixel from the Pixel 6 to the 10 Pro to the latest version. Android 17 brings major upgrades including the brand new Material 3 Expressive user interface, a customizable search bar, and professional-grade camera APIs. By the end of this video, your Pixel will be running Android 17 beta smoothly and safely. The only requirement for this video is that you need a spare Pixel device. Do not try on your primary phone. These are the Pixel devices compatible with Android 17. For demonstration purposes, I will be using the Pixel 7a. Since we are installing Android 17 Beta 1, which is not stable, I strongly recommend backing up your Pixel device. Everything on the device will be erased during this process. Also, make sure your battery is at least 60% charged and that you are using a high-quality USB-C cable. Now on your Pixel device, open Settings and sign out of your Google account. Also, remove any lock screen passwords, pins, or fingerprint security. Next, go to About Phone, scroll down to the bottom, and tap Build Number 7 times until you see the message "You are now a developer." Then go back to the main settings, System, Developer Options, and turn on OEM unlocking. This is the most important step. After that, enable USB debugging, which allows your computer to communicate with your Pixel device. Now connect your Pixel to your computer. I'm using my Mac for demonstration purposes. If a prompt appears on your phone asking to allow USB debugging, tap Always Allow and then press OK. Now on your computer, open Chrome or Microsoft Edge and go to this link. Once the website loads, click Get Started. Allow the pop-up permission request, then click ADB Access. Then on your Pixel device, you will see a prompt asking for authentication. Simply accept the permission. Next, select Add New Device and select your Pixel device from this list. Now you will see a list of available builds. Look for Android 17 Beta 1 Cinnamon Bun. You can also choose the Canary builds, but they are much more unstable compared to beta releases. For now, let's install Android 17 Beta 1. Just go ahead and click on the build, then select Install Build. After that, click Confirm on the license agreement. You will see a warning stating that everything on your device will be completely erased. Finally, allow notifications from the website when prompted. Your phone will now reboot into a black screen and enter fast boot mode. Do not unplug the cable. Now from here, the website will handle everything automatically. If you see a screen asking you to proceed, simply reselect your device and unlock the bootloader. Then click Start and on your Pixel device, use the volume buttons to navigate through the options and press the power button to confirm unlocking the bootloader. Now this tool will download around 4 GB of data and flash it to your device. This process usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Once the installation is complete, you will need to lock the bootloader. Now simply click on Start and use the volume buttons on your phone to select Lock Bootloader and press the power button to confirm. Once the website says Install Complete, your phone will automatically reboot. You can now safely unplug the cable. Then you will be greeted with the Android 17 welcome screen. Now just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and sign in with your Google account, and you will be officially running the latest version of Android. Now at this moment it says Android 16 in the Easter egg section because it hasn't been updated yet. Don't worry, you are still on Android 17 beta. As soon as Google releases any brand new Android 17 updates, you will receive them automatically. And that's how you install and enroll in the Android 17 beta program. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.